If you're only using Claude to ask questions, you're only using about 15% of what Claude can actually do. There are 6 things that you need to know about Claude, 4 of which are different ways that you can actually use it. The other 2 make all of them way more powerful. And what's interesting is 99% of the people have never heard of most of these. And I'm going to walk you through all 6. I'm going to tell you what they're used for. And by the end of this, you're going to know which one you should be using right now. Starting with number 1, Claude Chat. Now, this is the one that you probably have heard of. You go to claude.ai in your browser, you type a question, you get an answer. And the good news is it works everywhere. It works in your browser, it works on your phone, it works on your desktop. It's the same Claude, and it's the same conversation with everything synced in the cloud. Now, if you've only used this version before, you're still in a really good spot because this is the foundation. But this is the start of Claude, not the whole thing. Now, every product I'm about to show you builds on top of Claude Chat. Claude Chat is best for quick conversations, or writing or research, or just thinking something through. If you're brand new to Claude, this is where you start. If you've been using AI or Claude for a while, then keep watching because the next ones are for you. And that brings us to number 2, which is Claude Co-work. This is the one that most people haven't even heard of unless you've been diving in a bit deeper with Claude. Now, Claude Co-work has fundamentally changed my week, and it's one of the most used AI tools in my arsenal. And that's because Co-work is a desktop app. It lives on your computer. And the important part here is that it can see all of your files. It can open your files, it can edit them, it can save new ones. With Co-work, you give it a task, and it goes and it does that task. This is different than chat because you're not just asking it questions. You're not just talking to a chat window anymore. Claude Co-work is actually working on your computer with real files, which is only the beginning, by the way, because it has access to so much more. And this is built for people who don't code, which is most of us. If you ever thought, I wish AI could just do that for me instead of telling me how to do it, that's Co-work. It's a 24/7 personal employee that does tasks for you anytime that you want it to do a task. Now, Co-work is best for anything that involves actual files or real automations or tasks where Claude needs to touch your computer. An example of this would be giving Claude the access to read all of your emails. It can give you a brief summary. It can respond to the important ones in a draft. And then it can delete anything that it thinks is junk. Or you can tell it to look at all the files on your desktop and organize them. Or you can do what I did, which is tell it that I'm going to Paris in a week. Have it look at the closest mall near me. Have it find every single outfit that I need to purchase, put it in a nice PDF, and present it in a way that's easy to follow and easy to buy these products. Because, man, I hate shopping. And number 3, Dispatch. Now, this one has been in the news lately. If you follow AI, you probably have heard of this. To me, this is a real game changer. Now, Dispatch allows you to assign a task to Claude from your phone. And then Claude does all the work at home on your desktop and then sends you back a finished result to your phone. And this could be while you're on the go, at a coffee shop, at work. Doesn't matter where you're at because you're using your phone. Now, what's important to know here is that it's working on files on your computer at home or in your office, but you're controlling it from your phone. And I think that's really cool because this is one continuous conversation. You can start a task from your phone, let's say on the way to work, and then follow up on your laptop when you sit down and get to work, and it's still the same thread. It's the same memory. You don't have to start over. But before we move on to the most powerful tool in Claude, take a second and subscribe. It would really help out my channel. But let's continue with number 4, Claude Code. Now, if the first 3 things were for thinking and helping, this one is for building, and I mean building real applications. Claude Code is a tool for building software. Now, this can run in your terminal or you can have it on the Claude app on your desktop, but just like Co-work, you can tell it what you want and it's going to handle everything for you. But the most important thing here to remember is this is building real applications. Where Claude Co-work may be looking at your email and files, this is writing code. This is writing, it's testing, it's looking for bugs, and it's giving you a real output of a working application. Now, if you're thinking, well, I'll never use that because I'm not a developer, well, guess what? You are now. You are a developer. I thought the same thing, but when I started using Claude Code, I built over 150 AI agents just by telling it what I wanted, and then it built it for me. So yes, you are a developer. If you can think of something, Claude Code can develop it for you. Okay, so those are the 4 different ways that you can actually use Claude. The last 2 aren't products per se, but they are add-ons. They are upgrades, if you will. They make the first 4 way more powerful, which brings us to number 5, plugins. Now think of these as apps in the App Store, except the App Store is Claude. A plugin is a bundle of tools and connectors that are pre-built for you. You just install it into Claude and it gets a brand new ability. Now, plugins work inside of Claude Co-work and Claude Code. For example, install a Slack plugin and Claude can talk to Slack. Install a design plugin and it can create things that it couldn't create before. Plugins are best for extending what Claude can do without you having to build anything new yourself. It's just there for you. It's a catalog for you to choose from. Which brings us lastly to number 6, and that is skills. This is one that most people will probably find most useful, but most people aren't using it. A skill is really simple. It's a folder with instructions in it. That's it. It's a little set of step-by-step directions that teaches Claude exactly how to do one specific job really well. And Claude reads those instructions every time that job comes up. You're basically giving it instructions on how to do something. Now, skills work everywhere Claude works. That's Claude Chat and Co-work and Code. You can install it once and then it just works across all of them. And the good thing is you can actually grab skills that other people created, or you can just build one yourself. This is best for any task that you're going to ask Claude to do more than once. That way you don't have to type it out every time. It's just there. Okay, so remember this. Claude Chat is for thinking. Claude Co-work is for getting stuff done on your computer. Dispatch is for handing off tasks from your phone. And then Claude Code is for building real software. Then plugins extend what it can do, and skills to teach it how you want things done. Now, the task for you is to pick the one that matches what you're trying to do. Now, you don't have to master all 6 of these in one day. You can if you want to, but now you know they exist, which already puts you ahead of 99% of people using Claude. If this was helpful, then subscribe, because I'm making a full walkthrough of every single one of these products, one video at a time, and I'll show you how to use them, because that is the whole point here. So I will see you in the next one.